Hi everybody, it's Amanda. Today I'm going to be discussing an introduction to reference variables. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I already ran the program, however, I'll run it again. So as you can see, there is going to be a 10, 10, 12, 12 displayed, and that's what we get here. As we come into our main program, we have our initial variable, which is named ref example, and it's assigned 10. Again, this is just a style preference. If I were to remove that, that's why, as you can see, it lines up with my other variable. However, I'm going to show you this example. So I have an integer variable named ref example, which is assigned 10. I can even move it over now. I have my comment here. And then I'm going to come into my reference variable. It's going to start with my data type just like my variable would. However, it's going to include this ampersand sign. And then it's followed by the name of the variable. When I go to assign a reference variable, I'm going to assign it to another variable. So as you can see, our assignment here is going to assign our new ref example to our original reference example. And as you can see, what's displayed here is our original example is displayed as 10 because 10 is initially assigned to ref example. And as you can see, when new ref example is displayed, 10 is also displayed because 10 is what is inside of new ref example. And that's what this reference variable is allowing. It's allowing access to the original variable and it's changing the value. As we come down, that's what we see here. As we can do a reassignment of new ref example, I have my assignment operator. I reassign the value 12 and I start with new ref example and I display that, as you can see, 12, and then I go ahead and display my original value or original variable and see if that changed, and it did. So as you can see, and I can display that all day now, it's going to stay 12 as long as this initialization is here. If I were to remove it, now I would go ahead and get 4 10s. As you can see, I get 4 10s. So that's what this reference variable is doing. You need to keep that in the back of your mind. Reference variables, when they are assigned a variable, they're going to have access to this variable and they're going to change whatever is inside of this variable. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. I hope this helps. I kind of went over it really fast. If you have any questions, if I missed anything, it was very basic. I hope everybody has a great day and thanks for your time.